Welcome students to the maths class. Today we are going to solve few questions related with rational numbers. Firstly, we are going to solve questions related to closure property. Our first question is add each of the rational number and prove that their sum is also a rational number. That means in this question you have to add the given rational numbers and find that its sum is also a rational number. So first question is 7 by 15 and 3 by 5. If you add 7 by 15 and 3 by 5, you get LCM of 15 and 5 as 15, and in the numerator 7 plus 9. So this is equals to 16 by 15, which is a rational number, thus closure property is verified. Similarly, in this question, on adding 7 by minus 15 and minus 2 by 3, we will get minus 17 by 15, which is a rational number, thus the closure property of rational number is verified. Here are two more questions related with closure property which you can try at home. Our second type of question is related with commutative property. In this question, we have to use two rational numbers 4 by 9 and minus 7 by 12 to verify the commutative property of rational numbers. The property states that if a by b and c by d be any two rational number, then a by b plus c by d will be equals to c by d plus a by b. That means on interchanging the position of term, the resultant will be same. That means it will be equal. So for this question, on adding 4 by 9 and minus 7 by 12, we will get the LCM of 9 and 12 as 36, which is written in the denominator, and in the numerator it will be 16 minus 21, and that is equals to minus 5 by 36. But here we have written minus 7 by 12 as first term and 4 by 9 as second term. But the resultant is same, that is minus 5 by 36. Thus, on interchanging the position of the numbers 4 by 9 and minus 7 by 12, and then on adding, it will always be equal. Thus, the commutative property is verified. Here are two more questions related to commutative property of rational numbers which you can try at home. Our next questions are related to associative property of rational numbers. In this question, use three rational numbers to verify the associative property of rational numbers. The three given rational numbers are minus 4 by 5, 7 by 10, and 11 by minus 20. What we can do here is write the first term and then take sum of the remaining two terms, that is 7 by 10 and 11 by minus 20. And on simplifying the terms within the bracket, we will get 3 by 20. And lastly, we will add that 3 by 20 to our first term minus 4 by 5. And on simplifying, we will get 20 as the LCM of 5 and 20, which is written in the denominator, and minus 16 plus 3 in the numerator, so which is equals to minus 13 by 20. Similarly, on simplifying minus 4 by 5 and 7 by 10 first, and then on adding 11 by minus 20, we will get minus 13 by 20. Thus, in this question, the associative property of rational number is verified. Our next type of questions are related to additive inverse. Here we have to find the additive inverse of the given rational number. The additive inverse means the same rational number with opposite sign. So the additive inverse of minus 3 by 8 will be plus of 3 by 8, and additive inverse of 5 by 6 will be minus 5 by 6, and the additive inverse of minus 3 by minus 5, that is 3 by 5, is equals to minus 3 by 5. This question is the application of additive inverse and additive identity. Find the additive inverse of minus 13 by 8 and show that its additive identity is 0. As we know, additive inverse of minus 13 by 8 is equals to 13 by 8, and also additive identity is equals to rational number plus is additive inverse. Thus, additive identity of minus 13 by 8 is equals to minus 13 by 8, the given rational number itself, plus its additive inverse, that is 13 by 8. So this is equals to 0. Hence, it is proved that the additive identity is equals to 0. Here are two more questions related with additive inverse of a rational number, which you can try at home. Now we are going to solve more questions related to rational numbers. In this expression, we can clearly see that the pair of two rational numbers have same denominator, that is 10, 15 and 20. So what we can do is pair them up in different bracket and then apply closure property. So it will be easier for us while pairing the numbers having same denominator, and then on taking LCM and on simplifying, on the last step we will get minus 12 by 10 plus 12 by 15 and minus 12 by 20. On further simplifying, we will get minus 6 by 5 plus 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5, and taking LCM as 5 in the denominator and in the numerator we will get minus 5, which is equals to minus of 1. Here is one more question related to simplification of the given expression using properties of rational number. Thank you for watching. For property related to rational number, you can watch our previous video.